My name is Francis Okoth. I'm the one representing the real resident engineer. The Goe Bridge combines of two aspects, a bridge and a approach road. A bridge of 200 meters, bridge with 5 spans or each at every 40 meters, then an approach road of 2.5 kilometers. Actually, as you can see, we have already done the girders. Everything is set. We are doing the bearings at each and every span. So by maybe next month we'll do the final setting down of the bridge as we take down the bridge. Then the contractor is promising by end of August is going to do the earthworks. As you can see from the other side as we approach the bridge, he has already done some fields at around kilometer 1 plus 700 to kilometer 2 plus 00. That's a 300 meter field. But he's going back to embark on the earthworks for the remaining time. Approximately, we are now a physical progress of 75% physical progress, which is a good job given that at around 2022 the bridge stalled, but the government came back and financed the bridge. Now the contractor is not doesn't have any arrears from the GOK, so probably by next year we'll finish the bridge. The bridge commenced in 2021, but there have been some issues, some financial issues for around 3 times. So we embarked on the bridge basically 2025 after all the finances issues have been sorted. The challenges were finance, but now the contractor is happy. He is happy with the progress, and the financer from his side also is also happy. We are only remaining with some few months, like 6-7 months to finish.
I am Alan Luvungu from the Garment Delivery Unit. The garment projects that are ongoing with the tremendous progress registered at the affordable housing. We hope it will be completed within the time frame, and we hope the people of Siaya are going to benefit from these projects that are ongoing from the national government.
My name is Norbert Jara Komora. I'm the County Commissioner of Siaya County. Personally, I've been in Siaya County for the last 2 years. And compared to the time that I came to Siaya, I think the government currently has done a lot more than any other government, pre-independence government, compared to the number of projects that have come into Siaya County, touching virtually every constituency within the county. We have ensured that all the constituencies within our county have had a project being initiated from the affordable housing projects. I think we're having one in Alego Usonga, we are having one in Bondo, we are having one in Ogenya, we are having one in Game, and we also having students hostels that are coming up in Rarieda, as well as the ESP markets. So a lot of money has been put into projects within our county, and I am satisfied with the progress of the projects that have been started within Siaya. And the one that I'm even most pleased with, I think, is this Dogoe Bridge, which is worth 1.9 billion shillings. And we pray that by the time around April of 2027, prior to the general elections of 2027, this project will be complete for the benefit of the people of both Siaya and Busia County. So it will be able to save so much time in terms of turnaround, the duration that they used to take, connecting both counties. Over 8,000 households within Siaya County have been connected, both by RELEC as well as the Kenya Power, and we are happy that the Minister of Energy has done a lot in ensuring that many of our households are connected. So I believe that by the end of the year, there are so many houses, even more than the 8,000 currently. More houses will be connected. When projects come up, they virtually do around three things. One is that they create employment for the citizens of the area by creating a circular flow of money within the economy of the particular county. So, and with so many projects that are coming in, be they affordable housing, be they ESP markets, they create a lot of employment for people, for them to be kept busy and to have something to be able to take to their households. So that one in itself is a game changer, because even with the income that they come, yes, you're able to buy from the person who is selling fish. You're able to sustain the person who is selling in a shop. Those ones who are operating supermarkets. So, and people are able to also get many of these products at affordable rate. And with projects that come up like lighting, when an area is lit up, even security-wise, that security of that particular place is enhanced, so that you are able to at least increase the vision at night, and even the economic activities of an area, they are normally enhanced. When so many projects are enhanced with, they are brought up within an area.
I'm Frederick Ochieng Abonji, the Assistant Chief of Gotagulu Sublocation. This is the road that has been connecting the two counties, Busia County and Siaya County. As a community, we are very happy, and we take this opportunity to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samoei Arap Ruto, and for the entire community. We are really thankful for the work that he is doing, and as a community we are happy, and we are praying that may God help him to complete the work that he started to make this our road to be a complete road.
tulipe hivi au inabaki pending fee? Unajua either way kila mmoja wetu ako na makosa. Contractor ako na makosa yake na pia sisi kuchelewa kulipa makosa.